Introduction. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that play a crucial role in transmitting signals in the nervous system. They facilitate communications between neurons as well as between neurons and other target cells, such as muscles or glands. This interact signaling system govern a wide range of physiological and physiological functions, including movement, mood regulations, cognitions, and homeostasis. Understanding neurotransmitters, their classifications, structure, receptors, functions, and metabolism is fundamental in the field of neuroscience and essential for students of zoology. Definition of neurotransmitters. A neurotransmitter is defined as a chemical substance released at the synaptic terminal of a neuron that transmits signal to a target cells across a synapse. To qualify as a neurotransmitter, as molecule must meet the following criteria. First, synthesis and storage. It is synthesized in neurons and stored in synaptic vesicles. Second, release. It is released in response to a specific stimulus such as an action potential. Third, effect. It is bind to a specific receptor on the target cells, causing a physiological response. Inactivations. It is actions must be terminated, usually by enzymatic degradations, reuptake, or diffusion away from the synaptic cleft. Classification of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are broadly classified based on their chemical structure and functions. The major categories includes: first, amino acids. Example: glutamate, gamma aminobutyric acid, glycine. Functions: glutamate is excitatory while GABA and glycine are inhibitory neurotransmitters that regulate neuronal excitability. Second, monoamines. Examples: dopamine, serotonin, norepinephrine, epinephrine. Functions: these are involved in mood regulation, arousal, and autonomic nervous system control. Third, peptides. Example: substance P, endorphins, oxytocin. Functions: peptide plays roles in pain modulation, stress response, and social bonding. Purines. Example: adenosines, ATP. Functions: purines are involved in energy metabolism and act as neuromodulators. Fifth, others. Example: acetylcholine, ACH, nitric oxide. Functions: acetylcholine is critical for muscle contraction and cognitive functions. Nitric oxide acts as a gaseous neurotransmitter with a role in vasodilation. Structure of neurotransmitters. The chemical structure of neurotransmitters determines their solubility, synthesis pathway, and receptor bonding properties. Example includes: amino acid neurotransmitters, simple structure like glutamate and GABA. Monoamines are derived from aromatic amino acid like tyrosine, dopamine, norepinephrine, or tryptophan. Peptides. Chain of amino acids, often longer and more complex. Acetylcholine, formed by the combination of choline and acetyl-CoA. Receptor functions. Neurotransmitters exert their effect by binding to specific receptor on target cells. This receptor can be categorized as: first, inotropic receptor mechanism. These are ligand-gated ion channels that open up neurotransmitters binding, allowing ion to flow into or out of the cells. Example: AMPA and NMDA receptors for glutamate, GABA X receptor functions. Inotropic receptor mediate fast synaptic transmissions. Second, metabotropic receptor mechanism. These are G protein coupled receptor GPCRs that initiate a signal cascade upon activations. Example: dopamine receptors, muscarinic acetylcholine receptor function. Metabotropic receptor mediate slower but more sustained effect. Third, enzyme linked and intracellular receptors. Example: nitric oxide interact with guanylyl cyclase to produce second messenger functions. They influence intracellular pathways and gene expressions. Metabolism of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitter metabolism ensure that signals are terminated after transmissions. Key processes include synthesis, enzymatic pathway. Neurotransmitters are synthesized in presynaptic neurons via specific enzymatic reactions. For example, acetylcholine is synthesized by choline acetyltransferase. Second, release mechanism. Depolarization of the presynaptic membrane triggers vesicles fusion and release of neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. Third, inactivations. Enzymatic degradations. Enzymes like acetylcholine esterase breaks down acetylcholine. Reuptake. Transporters remove neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine from the synaptic cleft. Diffusions. Some neurotransmitters diffuse away from the synapse. Recycling process. Component of the degraded neurotransmitters are often recycled to synthesize new molecules. Conclusions. Neurotransmitters are pivotal to the functioning of the nervous system. Their diverse classifications, complexes, structure, specific receptor functions, and meticulously regulated metabolism underscore their importance in maintaining physiological balance and enabling intricate neural processes. Advances in understanding neurotransmitters have not only expanded our knowledge of biology but have also paved the way of treatments of various neurological and psychiatric disorder. References: